This is a video tutorial that is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser hijacking website called News-fojegu.cc. News-fojegu.cc is a malicious site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers too. And News-fojegu.cc tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you're not a robot. However, to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This may immediately hijack your browser with plenty of advertisements that will be attacking your screen in the form of multiple web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, definitely you should fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and select Notifications. Then carefully examine all these websites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find any junk sites here that are causing such troubles, get rid of them. Click on this button and remove these junk sites from the list. I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then, after it gets installed, start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.